Damn, rat. These are big crawfish, bro. Oh my god. Greetings from South Seattle, everyone. If you like crawfish as much as I do, and as much as that guy, my buddy Rat there does, this place here is a must visit. Now, there's a lot of crawfish places here in Seattle. However, of all the ones we've tried, and I've tried many of them, and so has Rat, this one is our favorite. There's just something about this place, and mostly it has to do with their sauce. Anyway, we ordered a bunch of food today, and we're gonna try to finish it off, but we'll see how it goes because we really did order a lot of food. All right, gonna start out with the beer. The beer is Modelo. We've got our bibs, gloves, utensils, napkins, got some water. We're gonna need that because, you know, this is going to be a high sodium dinner. Love Modelo. One of my preferred beers. Oh, and there's, oh my goodness. Oh, wow. So this is 4 pounds of crawfish that we ordered. 2 pounds of the actual crawfish, and then another a pound of Gulf shrimp and mussels. There's also corn, the stuff that they put in here, corn, and there's clams in there. And then we also have snow crab. This is snow crab legs. And this is I think this is 5-star, that's right. This is 5-star, which is the highest spice level that you can get it in. We got that in 5. This is 4 stars out of 5. So everything is gonna be pretty spicy tonight. All right, gonna put my gloves on here and get to work. This is gonna be somewhat of a mukbang video. I don't make videos like this too often, and so I'm expanding my horizons today. Wow, we have a lot of food, bro. Are we gonna be okay? Oh my god, we're gonna have to be. We still have appetizers coming, so different restaurants do it differently. At this restaurant, they don't really give you a tray or a bowl or anything to put the remnants in, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna have to put it on the table. Oh, all right. Oh, here's the bread. The bread here is awesome. All right. Thank you.
You guys need anything else, okay?
Oh yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, appreciate it.
One more pair of gloves? Yes.
Oh, yeah, more gloves.
One more? Okay.
So here are the snails with the sauce that you dip it in. So you know, take the toothpick and work with the snails, dip it in that sauce. And one thing that the waitress was telling us earlier today is that the crawfish today, they are from Portland, and they are a larger size crawfish. She was encouraging us to, you know, order plenty because they don't always get crawfish from Portland, or they're not always the same size. But look at the size of this crawfish. Yeah, that's a good size. Yeah, bro, these crawfish are, damn, Rat. These are big crawfish, bro. Oh my god, no. This is the biggest crawfish I've seen in Washington State. Oh my goodness. Hey, take a photo of this and send it to me later, bro. Some of them are huge, some are just okay size. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. These are the biggest crawfish I've seen in this state. Wow. Okay. Can you take a landscape? Maybe I'll make it a thumbnail so it's sideways. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail out of this. See how big these are. Wow, these are like miniature lobsters. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and taste one. Go ahead and taste one. There's a likelihood that I'll have to take off my hat at some point. because I'm gonna be sweating underneath my hat. Wow, this is insane, bro. Usually there's not a lot of meat in the claws, but because these are so Hercules, look at the size of these. I'm gonna have to crack open the claws and eat the meat in the claws as well. Yeah, so this is I'll call this like a mukbang slash hanging out with Dennis and friend video. Wow, look at how much meat that is. Oh, damn, bro. Let's put this in the center. It's too far from me. Let me show you the crab. I already showed it to you, but let me show you. There's a lot of good stuff in front of us here. Wow. Thank you for the telling us about the crawfish. These are huge.
Huge, right?
I've not seen crawfish this huge in Washington State. Like we go to Texas.
We get it freshly from Portland.
From Portland. I was saying that. That's crazy that they're so big.
Do you see
It looks
the
like a
claw?
small lobster.
It's worth peeling.
I know.
It's
Yeah.
worth
Actually,
peeling.
yeah. I'm gonna eat the meat that's in the claw. Usually we just toss these, right?
We just
But
toss
they're-
it because there's no meat.
Yeah, but this is gonna have meat because it's huge.
Definitely, yeah. I love Portland crawfish. I was there like a couple weeks ago, and then me and my coworker, we were just there
Yeah.
for like a family event,
Yeah.
and then we just literally ate crawfish the whole week because they were all so big.
Yeah.
And then
Amazing.
these last
Wow.
all the way up to like I think the end of October, so we'll have this. Until
Oh, that's good to
October.
know. I have to tell some friends. Thank you. Yeah. Waitress is really helpful. Wow. I mean, these are huge crawfish. Wow. Yeah. Yummy. So these videos, I'm fully aware that videos like this can bore a lot of people. But a lot of people are into like food and mukbang videos. Mukbang. How do you say it? Mukbang, mukbang. Look at that. You can't throw that away. That's a lot of meat in the claw. Wow. Here's some lime, bro. They give us, some people like it with extra lime and sauce. The sauce is like salt and chili. You squeeze a lime in there and use it as a dip. Wow. Oh my God. We might have to come back one more time before they stop having this, bro. So as far as crawfish places go, like I stated earlier, this is my favorite crawfish place. I like their sauce here a lot. They have different sauces, but the sauce that I like here is the whole boom bang sauce. That sauce is, this sauce is amazing. It's a preference thing. Some people prefer other sauces here, and then some people prefer sauces at other crawfish restaurants. Now, a restaurant that comes in my mind, comes in second place is Boiling Crawfish in Kent, off of the 212th exit off Highway 167 in Kent, East Hill. That place is really good. I like that place too. That place it's a bigger place, a bigger restaurant. And we go there often. In fact, we just went there like a week or two ago. We eat crawfish. Lately, we've been eating crawfish a lot. Here's a shrimp. Oh yeah. Let's eat some snails. Mm. This sauce is like a sweet, sour, a little spicy, tangy for sure. Really good. Goes perfect with the snails. Oh yeah. Some of them have nothing inside, so just gotta let it go when you come across one of those. Wow. So when I was in Texas many years ago, yeah, I ate crawfish there, and those crawfish down they're huge, as big as these ones or even bigger. And not too long ago, we were hanging out with Amanda's relative at another relative's house here in Linwood, a city about 30 minutes north of here, and he and another uncle of Amanda's was showing us how, like, the different ways of eating crawfish. Oh, I'm sweating. And the way that most people eat it and the way that I eat it is I simply break off the tail, suck on this, and then toss that, right, the upper half, and then peel away at the tail. Now, what one of her uncles showed me was that instead of peeling it all off at once, there's like different layers. Like you peel one layer off at a time. There's like 3 or 4 layers. That way you can neatly make your way to all of the meat that is the tail. I'm not gonna dip in that sauce. Yeah. And then this, you don't deal with this. Now another uncle, what he was telling me is you don't waste this. This is a more conservative way of eating it, where you don't waste a crawfish. I'm trying to remember how he did it. So you take out the lower half, and I forget how it does this half. Really good. I think we're good so far. Yeah.
Let me know if you guys need anything.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. I actually forget, but it has to do with just being more careful with the head. Like you eat the head, you don't throw away the head. You know, there's poop and stuff in crawfish, as there's poop in everything. But the idea is you eat the head, and so this is not exactly how you do it, but yeah, you eat it. And then you also eat the claw, if it's substantial enough to eat. Which in this case, yeah, there's big claws with a lot of meat in them that you don't want to let go to waste. So those are the 2 different ways of eating crawfish that I learned this summer. How you doing, Rat? So quiet. You enjoying it? All right, let's get some clams. The sauce is good. Their spice level here, I don't know, both Rad and I can eat pretty spicy, so 4 or 5 is spicy. I mean, 5 is the highest. Last time we came, we did 5 for the Cajun crawfish, and we're fine. All right, let's glasses are starting off. Let's deal with the crab meat, crab legs. Gotta be careful not to cut my mouth or lips. I'm sweating underneath my hat for sure. So there's no sexy way of eating this. I'm trying to be not too messy, but do you know of a sexy way and clean way of eating this, bro? He doesn't. We don't. Now's not the time to be sexy. Wow. Snow crab. Legs. Oh yeah. You got one of these, bro?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Doing pretty good. Let's do the corn. Corn. Sweating. Okay. Sweat's dripping down my face, through my glasses, onto my nose. Lather some of that whole boom bang sauce on there. This is all about the sauce. Oh yeah. One thing about this restaurant is they give you a lot of sauce. It's almost like gravy. It's almost like gravy, or it's like gravy covered. A gravy covered bag of goodness. Ooh, yeah. Are you sweating, bro?
Yeah.
Whew. We're both sweating. Oh yeah. Oh my God. It's a dilemma because you can't really wipe your face because with your gloves on. I mean, you can. Messy.
Bread and sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah. Ooh. Their bread is so good here. So good. You use the bread to dip the sauce with, Like I said, this is a messy meal. There's no sexiness at all. No sexiness involved. Well, not the place you want to bring your first date. That's not a first date place. Ooh. Need water. Woo. It's really heating up now. Oh yeah. Doing pretty good so far. I'll show you what things are looking like here. What a hot mess, right? How you doing, Rat? You doing good? It's a good amount of people showing up. It's a smaller restaurant, but small but mighty. I like to think of it as small but mighty restaurant. Oh yeah. Whew. Yeah. God. I know the crab here. It's ridiculous, right? Oh. Right. So they also have king crab, but we decided on snow crab. Prefer snow crab for legs. Anyway, so. Definitely adding variety to the channel with all this. Mukbang. Reminds me of eating crab roll. Reminds me of when in Vegas, the all you can eat the Bacchanal,
Oh, yeah.
Caesar's Palace. Are you gonna go to that, by the way?
Yep. I reserved it for 6.
Rat here is actually going to Vegas very soon for his birthday, and I think he's gonna have a lot of fun there. But yeah, all you can eat. Is it $90 or something? I think 80 something, 90.
85, yeah, 90, yeah.
Something like that, right? And I was there like a month or so ago. Ate a lot of crab. It's like my favorite item there. And the nice thing about with their crab is you can they have cold crab, but they also have steamed crab. So they have variety there. Everything there's most dishes are very good. Oh boy, I think we did pretty good. We're about done. I would say we ate about 99% of the food. Rat's done. He went to the bathroom, and I'm about to do the same because I am sweaty. The only thing we have left really is the snails there. I think I might take that to go. All right, everyone. I'll take off my bib. Take off my bib. We'll cleanse my face a little bit back there and get on out of here. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time. Peace.